bi sa mo se fa so be na munya ye de wo kwa se me MPP na wo bi de fa so be pa na wunya
okay
ye kasa tire badwumba o se party na wo no e fe se ye de wo kwa na fa so de se MPP ba kunya 8 years me akokọ takra di ni pasu nkrama nya bi ni panu bi ero be se me ba na office for moi e de panu bi ero wakasa ba MPP da bra na beje pure water 50 pesos no e bi si da
right
e ti na me dey na mo party ni mu
temo o kan yi difference wo mu na ye den e die ne wanya e de free MPP ho e die ne wo so wanya e de free NDC ho a ye kan na wo baburu yen ye kan na wo ne ye be kontokoi e die ne wanya no de ka kire me wisdom and ekasa sa brantie we when Canada and Japan comes out a lot of these people will come because we him ye wo nipa bi wo ha ya na ye kan say o se me mentin tasuo nto fom fa metachira man fa se mpanyini ka sa asem wo ye kire sen me a me meti hosisi ye me ni mpefe se bawumia enka nokore wo ye trofo na onyu bi obetimi de na si fom acting the wrongdoers because nim fichire he ya no koso ono no the only people obo mabaso ye wo mu a omudi nsem hunu ono na bawumia obo mabaso enti such a person no nana ebe de be nwanwa se me se mete we obete me nka bi na me kasa de ma bawumia da bi ene na bibia si wachire enu nti se ohwa omo a no omudi Canada echi no se na yakoma papa no omudi dechi a ewo mu se democracy MPP koto aba no omo hwe se omo reti ye be koto aba democracy ba wutie se de ensam no ana ekono a ba omi anyi obi a obebo man Ghana nti how can you say Canada yi na ho apie na oba bedi ni djuma e de aboa oman Ghana na wo da so tie MPP mu se me ye MPP ni se wuti abranti ya the full video no mebeba na answer na no de mpesa me kire wu nyina ne se wo na wo hwe mesisi ya no MPP e ba ye 8 years no akokọ takra ye frɛ wutu ba ko bi de ba wana enkokọ ye ton ni dwemi wo de me ye mfrɛ ni ntu ba ko se jefa kunu asom otibi NDC nsusu ba ye nana edie na wo wanya no emfa koma nkasa wo edie na wanya wo de ka kire me abrantie na kanya ansasem edie na wanya wo de ka kire me wonya wo hwe bibie di ho wanya pure water se kura ya nto ba ko se kura se jefa no wonya hwe mfrim enso ukontokwa enisa woko thinking for party no it is a disadvantage to the Ghana aye nyina ye wo mu sa wokoma party no na uja Ghana na to a ne resource ayenya South Africa issue aye pam Ghana for say o dwene party ho eche oman na flood na yehu ye no eno na wo resource sa wo dwene party ho eche Ghana students eko na omukope military ekowu no resource e bado no sa wo dwene party ho eche Ghana dumso na wotimu nana se wodwene party ho eche Ghana wo de woniema obetena buruchira bo bra wo de woniema beduru port a eho na resource no dedi akromfo bi mo ho so target ya mo na o mayire mo age minu bi wose me de be ka bi baaye e beduru ye pa ekwan o mo excuse me e fa so je ka ne free mensam na fa adan na misu me hwe price am talk car no any duty a fancy shipping am de baaye nkrofo no atimi am no facha system no ama me car no maje cause hu se custom panyin no na fata no custom panyin no ono na fata no me na makoye adwuma almost 20 years e wo US and UK na me de anya me sika na makraka ba me ba befa no me ba ya aka na afiri mensa saa de we kura na timi bofo wadwene ma abodam etimi bofo wadwene mu no wabodam de ne yeje anti e kasem we ya yenti ase de bia me kan na makofa ye bo Agyekum Francis Abatum kofo bi te Ghana bu nipa faso brantie ne ba so wo kyerɛkyerɛ natural recipe kwan ye faso a ye betutu ya na mo no ye tan no ye pe kwan de na faso na obi aba brantie no wayare wo bewu wo te ho na flood si ye wante ho hwe Nyankopɔn bɛn ne ya wona mo kasa Nyankopɔn bɛn wona mo kasa mo de kyerɛ de momo de be bata ho abegye mudin ye bo Agyekum Francis etina ho ye ne baba adan na wa meka ne ho asem o mama na ne ho ehyi edon so ani sade oso entakrache edemufu a nti wohunu pa na obi ani kohwe wisdom. Some people are still left in NPP. They will come out and we will see me de bia me come see ibetu anamona akoyenim ne akote niema biase anu ayi amede ba betu mi na da ayi efensen ohene ba sesen te ho no okeka nsemu no hwe NPP ni NDC etena ho no omo era na ba no na den ye hwe Messi ene Ronaldo ne last World Cup awakoni otimi nkobiem on say enyine na catch up with him ye ne ya wo ye ne senka World Cup nim so ono so be so cup ne bi mu. But unfortunately Ronaldo is not Ronaldo anymore. On say nketwa ne bi ne Ballon d'Or no mo so begege nketwa ne bi na eba it is a wo temase na me no mi no te ase yi a ya na ye ta akase ye join the winning team na se no na ye policy dia ene ene se MPP dia ni se wo ko honkura wo gozo olusu poto NDC nsusu ne maka kire mo no meme no hu afi 2028 no the policy aye be gina ho no enye party we ye dibinti yema we mra wo enye no hu asem ne ye beka wo eye enyuma me na metifie no menya dwuma ye me na metifie no menya dwuma ye ena tu se wo hwe rote wo aban nyuma ye semu a ene aban offense appointment ni ade no mu a nana sika ni system no mu mpo ne yetimi de ahwe temamufo o check teacher ni sika na o check nurse ni sika o check fire service ni sika police ni sika e kire wo pefe se o man no should do more. No more muti dwom ene ade ene ma nko yie because nipa sika ni nipa boto no de ababonte abeto ade no sika ni nipa boto mo nti abrante ni busa wo se edie na wanya he is speaking as a Ghanaian se wunya ahwede anana na niema wanya ne ye dia oban na ya aka obi a bi na so wanya bi dia ene na ku awuku nhuma MPP party no ku awuku nhuma NDC party no fa so bi ani so obi afa MPP ho awu mo kai abrante bi a demonstration bi na nipa ye no so wi no matter what would the MPP achi wo wu agya oyere no ma ho so wo yere a wonni yere so a wantimi anwo a wo so wagya ho wokọ wagya o maame no papa bi kura nsam fa so wo no mani da wo so all because ya ben say esi etimi fight na ye din kwase asem na ye kekan kwase asem na ye kekan semu no a eno na ye hu ne political mavis suban ne bi no and when you beat say ba mi ata na chinti akwala ni nim se ne da ache no wo se no na wo de all kọ nanim no ebehunu ne ebesi abrante look at how gentle this man is speaking na all Kenyans asem de yakere ordinary Ghanaian eno ho asem ne yekan Kenyans asem a woka e de kire ordinary Ghanaian nana minim obi a friend say nkoko MP no wo kire de okosek me wo gidie say teachers na one wo mkira de okosek no ye nkoko secondary school no dodo no ada so ho ene sa brantie we ne life ene omo wo teaching no mu a wone wo mo obi okro no abrantie beto wo mo wo teaching field ho omo life ne sa MP ne life no difference abamu ana say epe me wo Ghana me hia no Fodwa Junction na wo 4x4 bi a abrantie ne demu a waswa ayi fansen seedlings agutu a wode ko na wakoye farming wo teacher ne no wo je bosi amfie num ansa na watua no enti na tesa bibi wo ho na Kennedy na wahunu saade na opese wo be fish out no yi free won yes ye man kwan won so a wonya hwe free mu no so a ya hwepo in line na wo so blindly no wo so di akire nka wo nya appointment, let them fight their own fight na ye na ye de ye nya hwe no ye nyina akire ne ye hwe de obeboa Ghana enti ene ye da so di sankrofo wo yachi mame papa nti wo nwene no ho ye nhwe na obi abegina ho Kennedy didi atam oba no wawie school da so tifie no a ena wo che bayire nti wabetena ho a obi a wawie secondary school so oto aso no wabe che bayire obi awie nursing training wabe che bayire yenka se bayire che nya dwuma na se na wonim se no wo ho de ade nti na ma ukobo kama ne ko nursing training o nyansa no ede nti na obo kama ne ko nursing training wakọ nursing training awie se aban fa na dwuma wo ama na betena ho a wo che bayire because adwuma ni ho eno hwasam ne yekan enti me ne wo kase nana senka yade a omampanyini eye efense na Jane oyare ye no Ghana ne yehwe no a enko ombehwe se nurse ne betua mokaye because ono ne nkwa no wosuro se me de yakwa apia na me ya boa ena me de me nkom ye hwe me ne mo mpa ne nkome me ne yakwa ne aka kire me se mpani ho o Mesbel so wosu Mesbel wo gina mu na wo bu mu gben de ma ndisi onkwa ya ndo afaso. It's about time I wish you nyansa no aba back to Ghana thinking so obedwene Ghana ho eno ho asem ne ye ka no yenkoti abrantie fully ekutie ne ba be nkomo
mo bisa mo se faso be remunya ye de ho kwase me bibi MPP na wo bri de faso be pa na wunya
okay
ye kasa tire bajumba o se party ne wo no efe se ye de ho kwa na faso de se MPP ba kunya 8 years me akokọ takra di ni pasu nkrama nya bi mi panu bi ero be se me ba na office for moi e de panu bi ero wakase se wakasa ba MPP da bra na baje pure water 50 pesos no e bi si da
right
e jina na mi de na mo party ni mu e ya dokeke e ya fanfare e na e fa ni wum e ti mu amudi party na ni sa nya bi na mu nya won nchen a na party ni mo de ko ditch no you should be at post na wujini pass and kromu Dr. Bamia Petumia, you shouldn't let these people be leading the party once again.
Why?
Because they are the people that supervise the Hagen political party as you as a flag bearer. What I say? And I'm coming to say a company na do sikati. According to say bank na they run it. And will be airline company say we need to allow the person. That is what we call conscience. Now the chief executive officer of the party, yeah, Titi party Mr. Rania Basasi. Now you still want to watch on and look on the party in Vancouver. You don't love the party.
Okay.
So I say people will not get it. But I saw the Tana can say MPP in Kai say CPP. Among the president about Ghana pay.
Right.
Among the members of parliament pay. And then when you say CPP, even they are even relevant excuse language in the politics of this nation.
Right.
But then you invite them, yeah, person kind of party and say, yeah, man, your son, no one who will go and bring CPP in it.
Okay.
That is the same thing. And you say the head is will be no. Oh, we know we are saying MPP. Because here to us you see we do baby no. The power to be me about to Kruma the will bring apathy in the heart of the people who used to love us. They will not revolt. They will not do anything against us. They will just sit and mind their business. NDC for a year campaign, Timothy see Eddie John Draman Mahamachi. Apart from John Mahama in the bush form, will enjoy any appointment. No man, you pay the pre-medi campaign more if nurses for sure, boss of Mojuma, Najman or if teachers for sure. You wouldn't have one abandoned form of work. You wouldn't be
right.
And the politics na yenu kuba ye say ye padwuma mo bi ma me ne papa kwakoye na ye de na kopum dan ma boja bro me yatafa na say this is how Ghanaians to begin to reason.
Right.
And yes these politicians will keep on taking us for granted. Ebe we are say no obi ani ho a Your amount for media teaching profession, acquire members of parliament. You are appointed by DC, MCs, be medical doctors, one members of parliament. So when you be a medical doctor and obey a member of parliament and obey a politician, because so only be no system to say. So be a teacher in the appointed at DC year. Besides, only you are system to say because it was member of parliament or a friend is Sanja Nanja.
Yeah,
no, what should I do? What to do secondary?
Okay.
And say no, what is going number 2?
Yourself from Pong and go call MP, so also child not
what I say. And the MPs say teacher for no Sanja Nanja child there those times. Or Sanja Nanja must system to say. Right. This is what the people of this nation should begin to conscientize themselves. Say, and my name is baby and your person in PBC, you never say. We should hold people accountable. Depend on taking political position, political stage, no one need you. Sack the person, let the person go because your mind is sick. Nobody near Obiano here talk about a political position or didn't seek a free view. And then the bush of Japan, the Abaso, the Chicho Mangana. A Mangana is on the building up. Right. It's your talk by Nipa, young twinning by any Nipa. Or my Chichiana Casadoma Kumasu, they have evidence they have proved to show to you. And they have demonstrated. Right. And yes, I don't be able to end up with a dead dinner. I sure said the Ibusa. Or the number is a matter to Gary. To make a question of me, Busan say. Near 1 yana. So who's Susadia? So when you be free Mudia, so be it. Mu nipa na air contokwa. Bra, Baumia, ebe declare say, well, Lusuno. Sena Basentali and Nkrofo na kontokwa. Basentali is now an appointee of the government. Mona makano edian mwanya. Ubi beka so na how can we employ ubia? How can we appoint ubia? Essence yentimi appointee ubia enti. And necessary wo dwene Ghana ho first. Because obeka say we can only appoint few. But benefit no beka ubia inte also tias say MPP for no ana NDC for no atare no wuyi gu ho na da ne Ghana ni de on beche ne bi beka be a Ghanaian de on beche no e bi beka be a Ghanaian abrante ni nyansem no okan bibi sa no na meka no sa fu soje se kun ye nyina ekosi sai Mahama promises all the man nurses and the teachers. Or by what my even teachers are banded. I know far woman. Yes. What now? Wow, one is well losing a couple in the fine. Or by only Asia for. John the money Mahama. Or by only Asia for. And now only a Lebanese for. Only India for. And only a Togo for. Only a Ghana for. Omi Ghana for enti gamini mukra no teacher for na egu backlog a wusu winti memfa wo no eden na ese we you hold on with admissions no catch on say free necro for 2 years a day and no training college recruitment no nursing training recruitment so when me say no ye odd nya de be possible enunti ene se o force wo ye wa famu die bia se ube ma opportunities na bi na wo gina chire na nsam wa beka na wo ba na ntimi mfa nya adwuma na wo nya mambani papa na wo ye mambofo asema medi kan ye no enne wo ka no wo se fanse Sanja Nanja ase hwanhwan no we teacher ni sa Sanja Nanja be ye DC no nana obe DC no one teacher fo no ana o ma kira de no o mo class ye PCC debi on ka with them you do light wo area wa wono kwa wo so generator o ba na ne ho ayi hu ne sika waje mu apija usase DC ye duma ben wo yo afi so district ni nyina so contract e ba nyina won so nya ne share nti oni beba won so apija dan kukuruku no de si wo sika fa ne nsam tractors a wo Fatuma council e bebre sa de ne ye pese ye kate ade no ye break no on say na anu ya Naja Farage UK reform leader no the possibilities one no ye the potential winner of fencing PM no prime minister next election be beba no
I say obi child that there £5 million no and we investigation. Ghana. You bet done in a party a month and your markets and the 12 pussy form, actually the 2 forms a sabe. Akwala ya jine biscuit and free nessa. Ubi a wo te wa wo ma wa yire bo ma a wo as a dignified person a wo no you call yourself to be a respectable person. Akotena form do to esi form ese ya chicha ma wuntumi. Ya chi events en MPP fo a wo ma be di dwiri mu abam abegina we defend it. And wo utimi kogina parliament no wa bi wa no akan na momo MDC fo mo se momo ba emu ni mu corruption yakoso kwasi asem nkwa kwasi asem san kwasi afu we nyina nso esore ya no makotena so dem o na okan kwasi asem a wonya kwasi kokotena so dem na osofo nso esan sequence kakra benti no wontimi nsikire nka nkire nsa afenyo parliament na anu asem a okan emete wanka nyansasem ya chi asumasi odo otu akwesi forma se ho eya wo so ofro ho sahene aye ma me panyini nso di akire bi ade edi ene eji wo man we mu papa na kasa na utie no a echese wo pese wo kire se ono no asem bi wo kan ye wo yes o I'm only say me don't party because as a like odobi no papa don't think of party again and when a party hunter don't think of party again, think of Ghana. Think of Ghana. Nana, so if you papa mua, ya na upia bontini ebodia, you are proud. Ultimate tell me ye, na nkwala ni jini mpa montinya, you are proud. Ubako school no bon homoden, nye nonkwa, udini huni ubuade, ye chese bibieni ana uswani achi. Now we are proud. Ube pia bonte na otisi hey yase gofobi a school phobi ni abo even class a obawo ni akasi abo mudin se o ye mudin but ya kire se class we se nkwala bi akwa ko wi ade ye de o makwa kotum oba na onwene hu because nyesa na otete we prove to you say we no kwafo utie wasem de wo ka no de be ye adwuma. Yetena asi ane asoso nsɛmfo so a sɛbe eti de mesre me de kakra metima kan si yentie such people say nipa we wo nyansesa ma woka na mo no mu MPP fo no a mo ma dwene ne sɛ obi anteme mo bibia ye o se mo nkai fensen CPP on CPP leader papa na wo mu no a anko yie no a no an free ho no afa CPP etime ababiem sana MPP tie mo lose the biggest opportunity losing Alanchire Martin losing fencing Kennedy Wahina Japan. I am telling you losing these people you will see your party can never stand again and you no me no be do memo it will never stand again. This is pure wisdom. Abrante no tu obi pia for say ye rise up. Ni enya party semono ni enwune Ghana ho. Ede ni enya ye de kra ne ho de nyina de akire no. Waso ben faso ben ni enya. This is the time. Ese sabre ni nyina ya dwene ho ni ehunu say o man no first. Ghana first. Ghana first. Ghana first. Ni yi party to twene. This woman ye first emfa ho ne me say ye policies ne de ye adwuma eno ni asem a ye ka ho asem ni enti MPP fo mo mu no ho nsere omo na omo nam ho apaso omo de omo se bibi ntimi omo wa hwe fom hwetro sei ni ye kanso on sensu nyansansa ke kan kwasasem wa hwe fom hwetro sei yo fili su kum abe hwe fom hwetro sei unsensu nyansa kansem hunu no afa ho adi all because when ya domta wachi and what for said dom na no ano no timi bio wa no se kenchina bosom we ya mede na besi muso no so wesi muso ano no ye movie bi owo ne ba na daye mu na o se hunhun bi se ye ba take over no wentime nware ye be ma na ye powerful yentime nware mami papa ye wure free kra na obi ti an na so se da bi okọ ba bi ni e dieting se down bibi koso uko ufie wa there is yam bi aya chichire e de sen ho yes nti ko na kutwa yam no fa hwefom bubum wo de bum mu nyina ba yira nana sana de etie o break bondage de free ne ho no ano ne ba na ye successful yet tare ho ne ye ha wadwene saa be see break the chains and be free ni enwine yie ni enwine ko yenim wo man ni gina wansa ye wu ye no o de bia na meka asofo ka Yesu ba e no kre obebara nemu onya mai no how do we survive yemma nipa bi ni de na ai no kre unya wiase nyema japade nyina na ahwere wo nkra ede na abenya omo ya we sankrofo ya nso ne ba sore be yi correction ma mo amogidie no osofo wate sankrofo we na wosi unya wiase nyema nyina na ahwere wo kra emfaso be na abenya sankrofo we na ene omo ba ma sore de nanu ya ba umia wa ma aso de ma mekotu osofo na wo ho no nti obae no sika odebre wanye edi adwuma na ba umia ye odinya nti ono no banka na no ye na no ye offense deputy governor no ada ene deputy governor no sisi onu firi ho no bi ama biu saa ene ukọ Bank of Ghana deputy governor no wo ho no ni sika sam duru ba umia sisi eye de yankwa no wonyae eye den eye krono ni dwirim ne katasehye nti eno na wo sofo ba na ode abra no so agye di enso wogidi wi anu asa be ka se efensen unya wi asem ne ma nyina na ahwere wo kra enne sofo betima kasa mpa ka cho se politics no kra de ni se osofo de huwure obonefo na wodi wo man ne so wodi wo man ne so a wo sofo so bre nti indirectly no de wo ye ne se ono no ma wo bra na wo so de azan na odi akugina wasore maso wo gina wo mu no cross straight forward ade na ese ye kande to ho ma bibia timi ye yire wonka wonka politics wo kan hey into wonka bi na anu ya sampayi Pentecost for soft panyini ebie na no kwan ya NDC na bi blast enso aka na no atum enso ka me hunu se se ukoso na ukasa kaseti agalamsi flooding yi nsem o ekoso njeye common ade e betima ye enua ba bi de yi bi beto ho odo rivers ho ahwan me pese meme wahwe de wo kire nyina ne se wo de efensen said Kennedy kind we yimu nyina na ode aye atoso kama na boot nketu asisi so na easy pressure yankone ko hesa video nemra na yemfa ya no mesi emfa mamo.
If we converted this storm drain into a transport channel like Venice or Thailand, could you ride it? Let's get into it. Accra's traffic problem isn't just that there are too many cars. It's that we rely almost entirely on roads, and those roads are full. We don't just need more roads, we need another way to move people. Here's an idea. Accra already has these long stormwater drain corridors. What if, instead of seeing them as waste channels, we upgraded parts of them into canal-like transport channels? Not everywhere, not all at once. We start small. A stretch like this in Dome is perfect because it already sits inside major flood control and drainage plants, and it already moves through some of the busiest corridors in Accra. Because even one modest pilot on this one Dome stretch could move up to extra 4,000 people a day without adding a single car to the road. It doesn't replace truck roads or buses, it supports them. Think of it as opening a new highway, but on water. But Amma, this all sounds great, but how is it practical? You can't just drop some boats in here and call it innovation. Well, I'm glad you asked. You have to prepare the corridor. Sanitation, waste interception, and stormwater management are a must to get it right. Because if we do, we are also solving drainage and flooding in the city. Hey, flooding in Accra. Another video. So here's the plan. Step 1, open up the channel. You dredge and desilt the channel so that water flows properly again, because no flow means no transport. Step 2, stop the trash before it arrives. You install trash traps and floating barriers upstream so the plastic waste doesn't keep coming in. And this needs daily removal, no excuses. Oh. Step 3, clean and stabilize the water. You reduce stagnant sections, you improve flow, and you treat hotspots. That means less smell, fewer mosquitoes, and a corridor that people can actually use. Step 4, you build simple commuter stops. Just clean, safe, well-lit boarding points at important transport nodes. Because if you can board it like a trotro, people will use it. Step 5, use the right boats. That is small, shallow draft commuter boats. Low speed, high frequency, reliant, very boring, but very efficient. And now, the harsh truth. The real project is cleaning, managing, and stabilizing the corridor. Because if you can do that, you're essentially doing more than building a transport system. You are taking one of Accra's most neglected spaces and turning it into working infrastructure. And if it works, you replicate it across other corridors, and suddenly you're moving tens of thousands of people daily. So the real question is, do we keep fighting for space? Or do we use the infrastructure we already have differently? What do you think? Could this work in your African city? Let us know in the comments. Thank you. Bye. Is Accra's flooding caused by indiscipline or bad infrastructure? Well, the answer is yes. Let's start with indiscipline. A day after the floods, this man was filmed throwing rubbish straight into a canal. We love to talk about indiscipline, but we hate talking about enforcement. In Singapore, repeat litterers can be sentenced to clean public spaces under supervision. Imagine that here in Ghana. Did you throw rubbish into the canal? Congratulations, you are going to spend Saturday cleaning 500 meters of it. Every district could have community sanitation teams that are empowered to report offenders, issue spot fines, and trigger community service. But here's the bigger problem. Corporate indiscipline. Because who made the millions of plastic bottles and sachets that are clogging up our drains? Today, companies profit from plastic, and then citizens are made to clean it up. Make it make sense. Instead, producers should be responsible for the entire life cycle of their products. Some plastic should just be banned, but the rest should be collected and recycled by the companies that sold them. Germany, Japan, and other countries already do this. Imagine requiring every producer in Ghana to recover 90% of the plastic that they put into the market. If you meet the target, tax break. If you miss it, pay more. That's how you turn corporate indiscipline into infrastructure. Speaking of infrastructure, every district should install trash traps from upstream communities so nothing ever reaches the Odo and Kole River. Because here's the truth. Good infrastructure makes it easier to do the right thing, and good enforcement makes it more expensive to do the wrong thing. Accra doesn't have an indiscipline problem or an infrastructure problem. It has both, and until we fix both, we'll keep blaming each other every rainy season. Do you think these solutions, if enforced, could lead us to have cleaner gutters in just 1 year?
At the end of the day, ubi na atena se no wakeka bu mu ase de Kennedy kana se no pepepe o. Osi drains na nsuo to ana famu na cause trouble de mayen. You betima nya drain stoppers. You betima nya drain stoppers. Asa drain stoppers no ehihye mu nsuo nko ana be famu bola ni na be choki wo so na fi eno se wo mo yesa adwuma no no ma ba be yi ni gina afrim. Abruchire kwa yentu wura ngu fomo yentu wura ngu abonten ne kura no sa ne ma ne bisi itese wunya drain stoppers a etimi eti drain mu na fi sa we no nsuo no pe ene namu etubu se ye pa na mo yi fence rubbish ni ngina nwura na antimi anto dustbin mu no kakra na ebeba be fa mu no ne mo yi ni ngina afrim on the ordinary Ghanaian wodwene on say wodwene na edi asem na Kennedy kai Odo River de asem no kai o se na mu saa de kokopia yibetima fa pono so ya fa mu saa de akwakopie obi efrin kai kokepusa opaka ne ka no wa fo ferry no pa se si anu wadu oba no abefa ne ka no kufie one employment wom esamo man no mu yakono emu ye fe Odo no etimi koto ho sabe igyaye na igu nti ufo se sa ferries ziwa e ma obi kwa ma na aba ho abedisa nkwa asem no empoano ne ade eto bola egu nyina na ne bola ne mu na daniska utimi ye wura na ayeto anase wo no emra dida ho to the sense wo de to form ne so mu amasa adwuma wo be ya wo Ghana no be nu wo ye teacher ni na fe ye chese wo be ja adwuma na kwa ya adwuma ma ban free Oba no aba apply e be for ane afa emfo wa no atena fie e be for ane afa emfo wa ne atena fie on say the documentary no dey two dwan o hwe say the Kennedy kind na the same thing na yenu aba yi kan no no yenu aba ande oni sa 2 million de be na Kennedy de sie ma na kwanya obetima nya sa 2 million de be ye sa de ni nyina into what do you think yi mu nyina na fe ye de ferries na sisi so eti the okofro we no ade train kura yentimanye minia train yentimanye train ayi abrochire ha bus train and Uber saa nkrofo yi ene edidi dwuma ena plane na wo communities ni dia ne buses na na ye dwuma time bia ubenya bus wo tena ha no abo Google map na de wosi train time no so ya kwen na duru na esen itisi yamfa nsa wo fa Ghana ensewom to Nkran ebia trains be 5 ene guso enye duru ya so na tu enye se kwagina park elodu enye duru ye na tu Kumasi to Accra eno so be efense trains be 20 ene guso we kone we ba papa onye duru Nkran na pa yi nema nyina wie ya na new set nso afro na pa asetu ye nyina fa akonche te sese de abrochire ba aseye ni station bi eso ya be gina we Nkran Kumasi enka no inye duru wa nipa no na wotwen ba ase no onye duru on the time esun ya pepa na otu nte toda kra na wo firi ba bi ba no wantima anya fa senu ba stop wa oboa obeja wako si obeja wako dise wutie ye nua yinsem ya wo keke ya na ekire wo pefe se si ye sha se se menua ye adwene Ghana ho fesa me hunye wa shida ube subscribe channel na follow ama fe wo hunu say yes obi be kase han NDC ba ye nkwa no aye ya ye nso MPP ye beba binti sei de bia meka be se me ye nyina ye mumu ni di dan se nkwa bebu mu adidi ye nyina ye mumu ni di menua dan se ba akopɛ nkwa be didi na de bia Kennedy kasem bi wo se me ase ade ba kwa mi suro eye say ye ni ebe giata ye ni ase a ye gita ye ni ase at the end of the day no what happens in say enipa kakra na enya dwumanya no omutimi plan be kum agi usika no afo se boni adoso Africa bebrebe de enye sankwa sesem na ekoso no politicians agia de ni na taw mani so no mamu no fo no cake ni wo mafa e no mamu fo ni nya bi nye tisi wo mu nya bi nya e de ne besi truly no esese nipa no pe means bia wo de benyeska krum hantesa adwuma no wonya kwadwofo nko obenya bia ye enei ulusu we ya wo apply within short time obenya foforo na wakwakoye ene wo konso a discipline ye de adwuma time de kwadwuma ne time de bibia koso kama nti be de kakra betima kan say Kennedy Japan is the next choice onu ne betima boye fine on say they are talking about the party as NDC and as NPP. Aboane ntakra na mane yakese. Enti ntakra na ye wo no awo no adwene se wo de no matter what ye chechira aboa bi ho kura de ne besi wa obeto aba ama no. Ye chechira aboa ho de ne besi wa obeto aba ama no goso ye NDC ni. Ye chechiri dua ho de besi wa de MPP flag fa ho a obeto aba no nti because we MPP ni no. Eno na ama de jimi sa no. Eno no de jimi kire yen sa no. Edunti se wuyi Bawumia si ho na wuyi Kennedy si ho na wuyi yemfansa si edu nkatie si ho a sankrofo yi onso obe ye kwatere kwa but wonu asi edu nkatie kasa bold because we nimsa mo MPP4 NDC4 mota nachi no mata nkwase ade bi obedi bia wose ono na mota nachi sanso na Bawumia mo ade bi obedi bia no eno nso wose mo na mota nachi enti yehunu Kennedy say wonu woni dom sese dia masa mobuada sede chaba wuntumi kan wose mobuwa mahama wobuwa na waye nani herete sei sede yehu akwala yehu ne motom obesere saa nani aherete panyimfo hwe program enti ya na me try say bibi wo ha me katakata ho kakra eno ho asem na me ka no edom na mudi na chi no nso so mo ba mu nya hwe ti adenti ne nyama system ne nya fema brofo mumu kura no hwehwe Ghana kira kwan se de yeyi mumu yeto awo mu a sabe racism ne sa ne ma na even Ghana kura no sabe nkwasasem se because obi feel say obi free no offer ba wa basante enti hey obi nso free asante kudu no offer kasa no wonim pa so okatwi ne pa nanso santini ni ba mu apomu nso asesa kasa ne yedi watam no wokɔ Volta region saa ufiri Volta bedu Ashanti so no nti twi na saara ufiri ha sei saara ene ho but ha no racism ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a ɛyɛ against the law ba Ghana no obi timi didi obi atema free wura ma baba ha na mo ha nipa dwe waka no a waka afa ne ho di but ha ubie wa no ka no ode wokɔ ye be chi wa jeliw na meka kyerɛw ye be chi ne jeliw etime de kakra metima aka ne sɛ moma yentie such people no a wo mo kanyansa sɛm no ne nyina yentie ase this is pure wisdom yentie ase sɛ Ghana pɛ ene be boaye enya MPP ene NDC wo no anam ne wo kasa wo free MPP mu a waba no yes a wodi MPP achimfa so be ne wanya ene de wo de wo watemase wo a base no wo te ase sɛ Ghana first no MPP mu di na wanya ya mane upon mane problems upon problems NDC ni na wo anam ne wo kasa sisie ya wo de watemase no e de na wanya fa saa nimdie no send the message no na share video no na subscribe na share video no catch obi so subscribe na said the worker no yebo Jevun Francis de bebe wom ai na na yebo a official teacher o de bia behwem se pam ni nyina yenko yenim ai yenko yenim Ghana nkankru Ghana yiwo ene hiame ene hia wo so nyame nhira wo send nso wo ma wo kwan a ye epidi nkomo ewa ha oduma nkoma no onye wakoma so ade emfama wo nhira wo na da foforo ye besan ahia bio